What's up guys, we got an awesome project this week. It's a Ferrari Superfast. We're gonna do a XPEL Fusion ceramic coating on that, but before we put the ceramic on it, I wanna fix a couple of things on the paint, so follow me through that process. So now that we got the vehicle washed and prepped and ready for the paint correction, I like to go around and look at the paint and examine it with the light, and you can see actually on this piano black how from the factory it's just a little scratched up and nicked. And I did a test spot to see what would work there, and an orange pad and correction cream is going to work for this. I'll go around and I'll put spots on places where I just see a little bit of an imperfection in the paint, and that way I can chase it a little farther. But let's get into that process now. So while I'm correcting the paint, I noticed some wet sand marks from the factory. Wet sand marks can be from a lot of different things, but maybe something was going on when the car was being painted, a piece of dirt or something got in it, and Ferrari didn't like that. But whatever the case may be, they don't actually correct the paint after that. They just wet sand it down to a lower grade and then send it, I guess. But you can see there's spots here and here in the paint where from the factory they wet sanded it, and now we're gonna come in and correct it, make it perfect before we ceramic coat it. There it is, guys. This paint turned out to a beautiful mirror finish, and with XPEL Fusion on top of it, it looks amazing. Wait till the customer sees this thing outside. It looks awesome.